You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from expert. I'm Yu Chong. First, the US dollar. The dollar traded mixed on Thursday after rising at first from higher than expected durable goods orders, but then falling following an increase in commodity prices, to which it is inversely correlated due to geopolitical tension in Ukraine. The greenback ended at 1.3831 to the euro and 102.30 to the yen. Today's data includes services PMI in April and University of Michigan confidence, which is expected to come out at 83. Next to the euro. The euro traded mixed on Thursday after it gained strength from higher than expected sentiment data, but then fell after remarks from Mario Draghi suggesting the ECB was gearing up to begin a stimulus program. The single currency ended at 1.3831 to the dollar and 141.49 to the yen. Today's data includes French job seeker figures for March. British pound. The pound rose on Thursday after positive data from the Consortium of British Industry show a higher than expected number of sales in April. Sterling ended at 1.68 to the dollar and 0.8231 to the euro. Today's data includes retail sales in March, which are expected to show 3.8% rise in March. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Thursday after safety flows increased as a result of rising tension in Ukraine, as well as an increasingly upbeat outlook for the economy. The Japanese currency ended at 102.30 to the dollar and 171.27 to the pound. Today's CPI data will show whether the sales tax introduced on April 1st has impacted on demand. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts on the field. If your pair is Euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.385 with targets at 1.381 and 1.3785 in extension. Above 1.385, which will look for further upside with 1.3865 and 1.388 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.682 with targets at 1.678 and 1.675 in extension. Above 1.682, which will look for further upside with 1.6845 and 1.686 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 102.7 with targets at 102.05 and 101.25 in extension. Above 102.7, which will look for further upside with 102.95 and 103.2 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune on Monday for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Yu Chong and be watching Markets for You. Have a great weekend.